And yet, in the matter of a few weeks of training and introducing them to a different way to understand how much of their experience of life is as a result of the thinking they have about what's happening, just cracking that door open a little bit, you see that there is actually this beautiful human being that has the ability for empathy and for love and for trust and for care. It's there, and it's almost inexplicable that it's there given the lack of nurturing. To me, we talk about evidence versus thought patterns. To me, that's evidence of what our true human nature is.